we are bam and bam. Nice, we're in the profits. Hello and welcome, my name is Roland, this is my YouTube channel. Here we're trading on the binary options, of course. So don't forget about your likes, comments and subscriptions before. Share this video with your friends. Let's get started, let's become a millionaires. We are at the broker. Let's start finally. Today on my balance you may see an amount of $20, and it is from this amount. We will accelerate our deposit today by opening trades on 1 minute time frame. As usual, I analyzed and selected all currency pairs. Today all currency pairs have OTC status, and accordingly this is a good interest on payments for each of the currency pair, of course. Today we're analyzing such indicators as Bollinger Bands and two RSI oscillators. Now, Bollinger Bands we have setting with a period of 13, right, and deviation of 2. Both of our oscillators have different periods, namely 5 and 10. It is with these parameters that we will increase our deposit today. So let's get started. As a trade, you will understand how to use these indicators correctly, and let's select our first currency pair. Okay, let's open here a short position, downward trade, an excellent entry point, I could say. Open against the trend, highlight the space, we break through the resistance area and form a new local maximum. For this part of the movement, the upper Bollinger Band touched, so this is our first signal to open a bearish trade. We also see the upper moving over both area touching by our oscillator with a period of 10, and we also see that the second moving average is already in this area, so we will expect a downward exit. That's why we open a short position. So let's watch its results. We have 10 seconds now. All right, and we are in the profits. That's great. We got an excellent signal, and therefore the trade was fixed in a profit. This is one of the principles of opening bearish trades, guys, remember, and we will continue trading. All right, let's open a long position. I think we should have a pullback in dynamics, a good point of contact on the support area. Our trend is upward, a strong correction. It was present here. Here we are touching the support area, right? Touching the lower Bollinger Band, and then the dynamics of our movement should rush upward. We see a way out of the oversold area for both of us an oscillator, which is why here in this case we the trade is opened upward. We have about 20 seconds now left until the transaction is completed. So let's just watch the results. Nice. Again, second position is in profits. That's good. So yeah, by the oscillator, we have sorted out the entry point for an increase. In general, the principle of operation remains absolutely the same, so nothing complicated. Let's find another position. All right, another position here. Long position, bullish trade. I think that we will also have a pullback. We also have a good touch point here, and now I'll show it to you. So here is our touch point, right? In general, here we have already touched the lower Bollinger Band of our indicator channel, and I think we should have an exit. I also focused on the oscillators here. I see their exit from the oversold area, so that is why we also open a bullish trade here. There is nothing complicated, as I said. Yeah, in general, our dynamics are already moving upward. So let's look at the result of this trade, guys. Let's just wait. just like that. Our next position, close in a profit. We had a really good point of contact. In general, yeah, everything's same, everything's simple. Really good point of contact. So yeah, that's all what I could say. Let's update the amount. Don't forget to do that too, and let's continue. Alright, long position here. Again, after all, I think that the upward dynamics should continue here. An excellent point of contact on just the same. We are touching the lower Bollinger Band, and in general, with such strong upward dynamics, we should already be watching the RSI, which has a period of 5. In our case, the touch has occurred and we see an exit from the oversold area according to our RSI with a period of 5. So here we should also see a rollback of the price upward again. So let's look at the result. Alright, last 2 seconds and we're in the profits. Of course, another guy's position is in profits. That's good. We had our rollback, also it was not very large, but in general, in terms of the dynamics of movement, it is here and should not be dominated by too much impulsive. But in general, the signal was opened correctly again and we fixed the deal as usual. So yeah, let's continue. Let's find another position entry. Well, let's open a trade here for a long. Again, we have an excellent entry point. So let's highlight the workspace. I'll explain it to you right away. Here we have a fairly good resistance area, and this point, touch point, I just fall under this area. In general, the lower Bollinger Band also touches here, and then we see an exit from the oversold area for one of the oscillators, and also we see a reversal of the second oscillator. So here we also open the trade for a long. So let's look at the result. Last 17 seconds. Okay, we are in the profits again. Let's update the amount. Let's put down maximum. So yeah, the signal was good. We got a price rollback, so we continue our analysis and let's see. Okay, let's look at the entering the trade again for sure. Also good entry point, and by the way, here we also have a very good entry points too, but in general, let's look at this case. We also have here rising dynamics. We open against the trend, focus on touching the upper moving average of our channel indicator, and also on exiting and rebounding from the oversold area in our case with an oscillator with a period of 10 and also on oscillator with a period of 5. I think it will show us a way out of the overbought area. So let's look at the result of this transaction. Alright, we're in the profits. That's great. Another position. So we had a price rollback in dynamics, good opening point. Again, everything is simple, guys. I'm telling you that 100 times. You have to catch it, you have to take notes, and you have to try it on, because you see, really easy, no problems with this. So let's find another position. Okay, long positions goes now. All right, we opening here after touching the lower Bollinger Band. In general, based on the dynamics of the movement, we can conclude that the rollback will continue in the same way to the top. so we can safely open a bullish trade here. The exit from the oversold areas has already happened here, so let's watch the result of this trade. And we're in the profits. Nice. Our trade closes in a profit, of course. As I said, the pullback should still go up. It did. Earlier, the candle, of course, gave a slight downward impulse. But nevertheless, our new candle also opened positively. And we, in general, closed the transaction plus without any problem. So let's change the amount of the transaction values. Set the maximum again. Set 8887 and open 2 transactions for this amount. I think it will be possible in the future as a result of fixing our profit. So let's get started and select our final currency pair. Alright, 2 short positions here again against the dynamics. A good entry point. Here we're opening our third trade. Here in general the dynamics of the movement are well understood. Let's highlight updating of a new local maximum, touching the upper Bollinger Band, then leaving the overbought area for our leader with a period of 5, and also rebound from this area. So let's watch the results of our final trades. This is a very reliable signal. We have about 20 seconds left right now. So yeah. Alright, last seconds, and we are bam and bam. Nice. We're in the profits. Our final positions is in profit from $20 to 3,000. I guess that's nice. That's good. It was an excellent signal. As I said, this signal was probably the most reliable in the entire trade today. So let's fix it and move to the conclusion. Alright, finally, let's choose a wallet. Let's choose the amount 3,400. Alright. And our operation successfully completed. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to try the strategy. Don't forget to get a lot of experience with this. You see that works well. You may get a profit too. Also, you may get profit from my Telegram channel below in the descriptions. So don't forget about YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions, guys. Have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.